Hello everyone, welcome to dishugata.com. So yeah, as I promised you, I'm here with a detailed video on how I got into CCA. So what are you waiting for? Let's get going. So which exam should I give for PR? This was literally the first question I typed into Google when I find out that architecture can also be a very good career option. So, after finding, honestly, I was overwhelmed. JMIN paper 2A, NATA, AAT, cutoffs, drawing tests, like what was going on. So yeah, if you're on the right same spot, then this video is for you. I'm gonna talk about how I got into CCA Chandigarh College of Architecture, what I studied, how I studied, which entrance exam I gave, and which you can give, all about that. So, let's get started. There are two main ways for getting into BR course in India. I'll break down each one so you know what fits you the best. So first of all, let's talk about JMain Paper 2A. This is what I gave, conducted by NTA. It's accepted by NITs, SPAs and other GFTIs. And through JAC Chandigarh for colleges like CCA Chandigarh. I'll explain more about the syllabus and my preparation soon. So, next talk about NATA. NATA basically stands for National Aptitude Test in Architecture, conducted by the Council of Architecture. NATA is accepted by 300 plus architecture colleges across India, especially private and state colleges. Why students go for NATA? This is basically the question main. It's fully computer based questions. Like in JMain paper 2A, we were used to give like some part was computer based and the drawing part was the hand drawing. But in NATA, it's fully computer based, can be taken multiple times in a year, whereas the JMain paper 2A is conducted two times in a year. And in NATA, the best score is count, and similarly in JMain paper 2A also. This is perfect for students who prefer visual reasoning and online testing over paper drawing. So, and also the main part is if you are interested to get into IITs and do bachelors of architecture there, so when you clear the JMain paper 2A, then you have to give JEE Advance also, that is like physics chemistry math वाला. So वो clear करने के बाद उसमें rank अच्छा आना चाहिए, and then you get eligible to give AAT, that is Architecture Aptitude Test, that is for getting admission into IITs like IIT Kharagpur and IIT Roorkee. So this is basically for them. So first you give JEE Mains, then you qualify JEE Advance. After that, if you are interested in BArch in IITs, then you can register for AAT. AAT is a separate paper-based exam that tests geometrical drawing, freehand sketching, imagination and aesthetic sensitivity, 3D perception, architecture awareness. तो इसके लिए कोई सेपरेट रैंक नहीं है एएटी के लिए, यू जस्ट नीड टू पास इट, एंड जेई एडवांस का रैंक काउंट होता है एडमिशन के लिए. सो एएटी उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिन्होंने जेई एडवांस क्वालिफाई कर लिया है. सो यस, बेसिकली इट्स कॉम्पिटिटिव अगर आपको आईआईटीज में बैचलर ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर करनी है. So yeah, now let's talk about the comparison between JEE Main Paper 2A and NATA. So here's a quick side by side between JEE Mains Paper 2A and NATA. If you feel more at ease with paper sketching, so JEE Mains can make more sense for you. And if you're someone who's bad with online tools and visual tests, NATA can be a great choice. And if you can do both, then I suggest then you should try both of them. So let's talk about what's in JEE Main Paper 2A. JML paper 2 is not like the regular engineering paper. It's made specially for BR aspirants and has three sections: mathematics, aptitude, drawing. In mathematics, it covers like class 11th and 12th topics, coordinate geometry, calculus, etc. etc. And the questions are something higher level than NCRT and a little bit lower level than JEE Mains paper 1. दैट इज़ फॉर BE एंड BTech, तो उससे कम लेवल का होता है, एंड NCERT से अ लिटिल बिट हायर लेवल का होता है. सो मैथमेटिक्स में तो ये सब कुछ होगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट कम्स एप्टीट्यूड. एप्टीट्यूड में 3D विजुअलाइजेशन, आर्किटेक्चरल एप्टीट्यूड, आर्किटेक्चरल अवेयरनेस एंड स्पेशल स्किल्स, लॉजिकल स्किल्स, ये सब कुछ. एंड देन कम्स ड्राइंग. ड्राइंग में वी हैव पर्सपेक्टिव स्केचिंग, 2D 3D shapes, scene composition, freehand sketching, and all these the 2D 3D transformations also. तो ये सब कुछ जैसे हमारे टाइम पे क्वेश्चंस आए थे, जैसे कि ट्रेन स्टेशन जो है उसका व्यू बनाना, सिनेरियो टाइप्स, ऐसा सब कुछ. ठीक है. सो इफ यू लाइक लॉजिक एंड क्रिएटिविटी बोथ, देन दिस एग्जाम विल चैलेंज एंड ऑल्सो रिवॉर्ड यू. So now let's talk about how I prepared for JEE Main Paper 2A. So I want to tell you also, this was the paper I gave for BIAC, and I didn't give NATA, but I gave only JEE Main Paper 2A. So here's how I prepared without joining any expensive coaching or that stuff. Like math has stuck to NCERTs and a little bit JEE Main level questions, and also prepared and the most basic thing, that is previous year questions. Aptitude के लिए solved lots of previous year questions and studied from some YouTube videos and searching on Google like important buildings, the famous architects, the famous paintings, and all this stuff. And after that comes drawing. Drawing में practice from YouTube tutorials, Pinterest prompts, and just bought a sketchbook A4 size and just start drawing. Like practice human figures and action poses, working on outdoor scenes like market or street views, or like that I talked previously about the train station view and more like that, to doing 2D to 3D transformation with good shading. And then most importantly, the thing is, don't fill the blank page, just start. After that comes my result. My paper 2A percentile was, in first attempt it was 97.38, and after giving the session 2 paper I improved a little bit and I got 98.93 percentile, and my AIR was 763. So when the result came, I was a little bit relieved that, and I checked out the cutoffs and all. Then I get a little bit like satisfaction कि हाँ ठीक है, I have good chance to get into a better college, very nice college. So I filled both the counselings, JOSA and JAC Chandigarh. Since I belong to Chandigarh, so I filled Chandigarh also, JAC Chandigarh and JOSA. So in JOSA, I got seat for NIT Hamirpur Architecture, and in JAC Chandigarh, when the JAC Chandigarh counselling begins, in the first round, I got into Chandigarh College of Architecture, which was the requirement of mine. So after getting that, I was like, yeah, this is the one I wanted. So I got into it. I felt happy. So this is how I got into CCA. So let's talk about key tips for the future BARC aspirants. So let's talk about that. Basically, few real no nonsense tips जो कि मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों को रहेंगी कि डोंट वेट टू स्टार्ट ड्राइंग है, कभी शुरू कर दो, अभी शुरू कर दो, एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट होती रहेगी, तो इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू इम्प्रूव बाय डूइंग. एंड आफ्टर दैट कम्स एप्टीट्यूड को सीरियसली लेना है, यही मेन पार्ट है जिससे आपकी परसेंटाइल यहाँ से यहाँ जा सकती है बहुत आराम से. सो एप्टीट्यूड को प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, मैथ्स में प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस करते रहो, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री है उसको अच्छी तरीके से करो, क्योंकि मैंने जितना ऑब्जर्व किया था अपने एग्जाम को जो मैंने दिया, उसमें कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का काफ़ी पार्ट था. एंड ऑल्सो कि किसी भी कोचिंग पे परफेक्टली रिलाई होने से कुछ नहीं होता. सेल्फ स्टडी इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सेल्फ स्टडी करनी ही पड़ती है, सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस मैटर्स. उसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाता है कि हमें ऑप्शंस को देखना है कि इफ़ यू थिंक लाइक कि जेई मेन पेपर 2A ही देना है या सिर्फ नाटा ही देना है, अगर आप दे सकते हो तो दोनों एग्ज़ाम्स दो, तो आपके लिए और ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस आपके लिए ओपन होंगी. कि जैसे नाटा में 300 प्लस आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेजेस हैं, जेई मेन पेपर 2A में आपके पास IITs के ऑप्शन जैसे फर्दर आ जाती है. जैसे हमने AAT की बात करी थी, तो उसमें आपके पास IITs के ऑप्शन है, NITs के ऑप्शन है, SPA के ऑप्शन है. तो IITs तो चलो बाद में रह गया. तो जेई मेन पेपर 2 में आपके पास जेई में उसकी NITs आ जाती हैं, SPAs आ जाती हैं, GFTIs आ जाती है, जैसे चंडीगढ़ कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर है या ऐसी कुछ और भी. तो ये सारी आपके पास ऑप्शंस आ जाती हैं। तो ये है कि पेपर एग्ज़ाम है, तो आप अगर आप देना चाहते हो तो आप काफ़ी सारे दे सकते हो। प्रिपरेशन है, थोड़ी बहुत कर लो, रिवीजन कर लो, ऑलमोस्ट सेम सा ही होता है, सिमिलर होता है। जेईई मेन में भी वही है, नाटा में भी वही है, बट ये है कि नाटा में थोड़ा कंप्यूटर बेस्ड है, थोड़ा टेक्निकल ज़्यादा है। जेईई मेन में आपके पास ड्राइंग, पेपर ड्राइंग आ जाती है। एंड ऑल्सो कि अपनी कॉलेज लिस्ट को किसी और के साथ कंपेयर मत करो। अपनी रिवीजन टाइम जो आप ले रहे हो या जो आप स्टडी पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हो उसको कभी भी किसी के साथ कंपेयर मत करो, क्योंकि सबका अपना अपना एक वे होता है चीज़ करने का। तो उसको कंपैरिजन में मत डालो, अपने आप को ट्रस्ट करो एंड करते जाओ। So yeah, that's how I got into BArch from JEE Mains paper 2A to getting my seat in CCA Chandigarh. I hope this video made your path clearer, whether you are preparing, researching or just curious about architecture. If you have questions, drop them below, and if you want the links of the channel I studied from or the sites I studied from, you can comment and I'll give you the link in the description box. And if you found this helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye. See you soon in the next video with these types of reviews, experiences and more. Till then, take care, bye bye. Oh, wait. Yeah, a little announcement for my upcoming videos that I'm also planning for day in my life vlogs and other architectural videos. And the biggest thing, that I'm planning a video of telling you about the stationery and other stuffs that is required for architecture colleges. So stay tuned for the next videos. It will be very interesting for you all. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Now it's the final off. Bye bye.